The teen involved in a crash that left 2 UNM students dead and 2 others seriously hurt appeared in court today.
We've learned that at just 16, Miguel Hernandez has faced serious charges before. News 13's Aaron Drawhorn is live outside of the Juvenile Justice Center on 2nd and Montano with more.
Dean, Jessica Hernandez just went before a judge this afternoon for this case. It involves a case of revoking his probation for a meth arrest from back in June. Not even a week ago, the state decided we're going to go ahead and have to revoke his probation because he hasn't been obeying anything. And then Friday night came this tragic accident involving the deaths of 2 UNM students. Police say 16-year-old Miguel Hernandez was riding with 21-year-old Joshua Leal in a stolen pickup. This is Friday around 11:30. They say the two were speeding up Rio Grande in the stolen truck when they plowed into the car carrying 4 UNM students. It's outside the Hotel Albuquerque. Matthew Grant and Brianna Hillard were both killed. 2 other students were injured. Leal is facing 4 counts of vehicular homicide causing death or great bodily harm. At this point, Hernandez not charged in the deadly crash, but he likely will be. APD tells us they will forward their investigation to the district attorney's office. He faces a charge of leaving the scene of an accident. Hernandez was arrested for having meth back in June, and today in juvenile court we learned he refused to comply with his probation agreement. He's not showing up to probation meetings or appointments or school. He's not listening to his parents either. The DA's office argued he was a flight risk, and although this hearing was on that drug arrest, Friday's fatal accident was mentioned in court, and the judge agreed to keep him in juvenile custody.
Everything that I've been given indicates that he is pretty much refusing to comply with any conditions of probation. I assume that additional charges will probably be coming from this traffic accident incident.
Now, we do have an update about the 2 survivors of this crash. One has been released from the hospital, and the other good news, the other is expected to be released from the hospital this evening at some point. Hernandez's parents were in court today, and they did not have any comment for us. Dean, I'll throw it back to you.
All right, Aaron, thank you. We spoke to the family whose truck was stolen and learned there's a sad coincidence in all of this. We'll have more about what that coincidence is coming up tonight at 10.